I'm Lisa Welko. I am a franchise consultant, franchise broker, and what we do is we help people find great businesses to invest in. I think the most important thing about our first conversations is that I need you to understand you're putting together the pieces of a puzzle to figure out which brand is best for you. Your puzzle is going to look different than other people's. So there's some really important corner pieces. We need to review the franchise documents together. We need to make sure that this business is going to work for your investment level, your geography, the time you want to spend in the business. There's lots of ancillary things that we're going to talk about, but those are kind of the big rocks. And then as we put that puzzle together, we're going to fill in the pieces. How much money does the business cost? How much money do you want to make? Who is going to be your support staff? Who's going to be your support structure at the franchise management level? As we put that puzzle together, it becomes very clear which businesses are best for you to explore, or possibly which businesses are not going to fit for you. So at Integrity Franchise Group, we work with you all the way through the process. We are literally not a franchise list. We are not the franchise waitresses that are just going to bring it out on a platter and then run away and you're never going to see us again. We are very intimately involved in the process of helping you find a great business.